Good morning, students. Now I am teaching the first expected question in NEET 2020, that is in measurements and significant figures. In significant figures and the measurement, you will get one question, one expected question. Okay. Now I am going to teach you the significant figures. Significant figures. So significant figures. What is the definition of the significant figures? Significant figures in the measured value of a physical quantity. Significant figures in the measured value of a physical quantity tell the number of digits in which we have confidence. Tell the number of digits in which we have confidence. Larger the number of significant figures in the measurement, greater is the accuracy in the measurement. And reverse is also true. Larger the number of significant figures in the measurement, greater is the accuracy in the measurement value, and reverse is also true. Means lesser the significant figures in the measurement, having less accuracy in the measured value or in the measurement. Okay. So what is the measured value? First you see, suppose if you want to measure the length of the pen. Of course, you take this pen, you measure the length of the pen. So that length of the pen, L is equal to 5.23 centimeters. Length of this pen is equal to 5.23 centimeters. 5.23 centimeters. So how many significant figures are there? Here you can see. So you can calculate the digits. 1, 2, 3. Total number of significant figures in the measured value or in the given value is 3. Enough. So like that we have rules, 5 rules to counting the digits, to counting the significant figures in the given value or in the measured values. In the given value or in the measured values, we have 5 rules to count the significant figures. So those 5 rules now we can see. So in that, rule number 1, rules to count the significant figures. Rules. So rules to count the significant figures. Rules to count the significant figures. Rules to count the significant figures. In the rule number 1. Rule number 1. See the rule number 1. In that rule number 1. That is, all non-zero digits in the measured value or in the given value are significants. So all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. For example, the length of the pen, if you take, length of the pen is equal to 5.234 centimeters, for example. So you write the significant figures. So all non-zero digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 digits are there. So significant figures in this given value is significant figures in this given value is 4. For example, one more example I am giving. Suppose 4.23. In 4.23, number of significant figures are 1, 2, 3, total 3, like this. All non-zero digits are significant. That is rule number 1. And rule number 2. Rule number 2, you see, zeros in between non-zero values, Zeros in between non-zero digits are also significant. Zeros in between non-zero digits are also significant. So zeros in between non-zero digits are also significant. Are also significant. Zeros in between non-zero digits are also significant. Example 4.303. 4.303. Here you see this is a zero. The zero exists in between two non-zero digits. The zero exists in between two non-zero digits, so it is also significant. Means total number of significant figures in the given value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4. One more example. 5.002. 5.002. Here you see these two zeros are existing between two non-zero values, two non-zero digits. So these two zeros is also counting as a significant. So total number of significant figures in the given value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4. One more example. 1.01012. See, these two zeros also exist in between two non-zero values. So these also considered as significant figures. So total number of significant figures in the given values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6. Like this. So that is rule number 2. Rule number 1 is all non-zero digits are significant. So example, suppose 5.234. So there are no zeros in this given value. All non-zero digits are significant. So here number of significant figures in the given value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total significant figures are 4. Similarly here 4.23. Total number of significant figures are 3. And rule number 2, if you see, zeros in between non-zero digits. Zeros in between non-zero digits are also significant. For example, take 4.303. So this zero exists in between two non-zero digits. So it is also significant. So total number of significant figures are 4. Similarly, you take this example 5.002. So here also if you check, these two zeros are existing between non-zero digits. So these two are also significant. So total number of significant figures are 4. Similarly here you see 1.01012. Total number of significant figures are 6. Total number of significant figures are 6. So this is rule number 2. Next we go for rule number 3. So in rule number 3, leading zeros never be significant. Leading zeros never be significant. So what are the leading zeros that we can see? For example, rule number 3 if you check. So rule number 3. Third rule. Leading zeros never be significant. Never be significant. Leading zeros are zeros exist in left side of the number. Left side. Example, see here 0.042. See this example 0.042. Here you see the 0 and this 0 are exist in left side. Means these we call as a leading zeros. So leading zeros never be significant. So here total number of significant figures are only these two, means 2. 4 and 2 are the significant figures. One more example I am taking 0.00423. 0.00423. Here you see these are not significant. Why? Because these are leading zeros. Leading zeros or zeros exist in the left side of the number, never be significant. So here total number of significant figures are 3. Total number of significant figures are 3. So this is rule number 3. This is rule number 3. Rule number 3 is, our third rule is, leading zeros never be significant. And rule number 4, zeros exist in right side of the number. Zeros exist in right side of the number or trailing zeros. Trailing zeros are considered as significant. Trailing zeros are considered as significant. Trailing zeros or zeros exist in the right side of the number. Zeros exist in the right side of the number are considered as significance. Example 4.230. 4.230. Here you see this 0 exists in the right side. It is the trailing zero. So it should be considered as a significant. It should be considered as a significant. Means total number of significant figures in the given value or measured value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4. One more example I am taking. 6.23400. So you take this. Here these two are trailing zeros, or zeros exist in the right side. So these two zeros also considered as significant figures. So total number of significant figures in the given value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of significant figures are 6. So this is a trailing zeros. Leading zeros never be significant. That is rule number 3. And rule number 4, trailing zeros are considered as significant. So that is rule number 4. And the last rule is there, that is rule number 5. In exponential notation, so the represented value should be considered as significant. In exponential notation, rule number 5. In exponential notation, the value which is represented, the represented value will be considered as significant. Example, see 1.23 into 10 power minus 3. 1.23 into 10 power minus 3. Here it was represented in exponential form 10 power minus 3. So here the measured value means represented value is 1.23. So 1.23 means total number of digits here is 1, 2, 3. So significant figures in the given value is only 3. Similarly, you take one more example, 4.234 into 10 power minus 5. You take like this. So here total number of significant figures are this represented value 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of significant figures are 4. Suppose if you want to expand it, 10 power minus 3, for example, 10 power minus 3 means this we can write it as 0.00123. 0.00123 means these are leading zeros. Leading zeros never be significant. So leading zeros never be significant means number of significant figures in the given value is only 3. Similarly here also. So this we can represent it as 0.00004. Okay, 4, 2, 3, 4. Like this we are representing. Why? Because it is 10 power minus 5. So these leading zeros never be significant. So total number of digits in the given value is 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4. So these are the 5 rules to counting the significant figures. So these are the 5 rules to counting the significant figures. Okay. So what is the rule number 1? Rule number 1 is all non-zero digits are significant. Rule number 1 is all non-zero digits are significant. And rule number 2, zeros exist in between non-zero digits. Zeros exist in between non-zero digits are considered as significant figures. That is rule number 2. And rule number 3. So rule number 3 is leading zeros. Leading zeros or zeros exist in the left side of the number are never be significant. They are not significant figures. So that is rule number 3. And rule number 4, trailing zeros means zeros exist in the right side of the number are considered as significant. So they are significant figures. So that also explained rule number 4. And rule number 5, in exponential notation, a represented value indicates the significant figures. The digits in the represented value are the significant figures. For example, see 1.23 into 10 power minus 3. So 1.23 into 10 power minus 3, here represented value is 1.23. So total number of significant figures are 3. Or if you want to write this one like this, 0.00123. So these are leading zeros. So leading zeros never be significant. So total number of significant figures in the given value is 3. So these are the 5 rules. So I think in 2017 they asked one question in significant figures. Very, very important. Now we are going to explain the rounding off.